Here's your tutorial for Super Freaky Girl. The chorus is a little dancey, and then the verses just kind of repeat themselves. So we're going to start from the beginning. You're going to take that right thumb, swipe it across. Take your left thumb, swipe it across. So that is 1, 2. From there, you're going to lasso with your right arm. Lasso for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to hit for 5, 6. You're going to step out and slide together. So we take that right thumb, hit 1, left thumb, hit 2, lasso for 3, 4, hit 5, 6, slide 8. Speed it up just a little bit. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Speed it up just a little bit more. This is the last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're going to take that right arm. You're going to elbow out. Crunch 2. So right, left, crunch, crunch. After that, knees come in. Knee in, pop, pop. So you slide, step. Your right elbow comes out, left elbow comes out. Crunch, crunch. Knees in, 5, 6, and pop, pop. Let's do that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elbow. 1, 2. Crunch, knees in, pop. 7, 8. After that, think she twerking. So we're taking those knees up. Right knee goes up. 1, 2. Turn it. Left knee goes up. 3, 4. Right knee goes up. 5, 6. Turn it to the front. 7, 8. Just facing the front, this is what that move looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do it with the turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. While you do that move, you are spanking your bottom, because that's what she says in the song. So we just did she twerking knees. From here, you're going to face the left. Use that right arm. You're going to grab and throw. Come back to the front and shake, 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 shake. So you just did your knees, grab and throw. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're going to sweep the floor. Hip comes out. 1, 2. Other 1, 3, 4. You rock it down, and then you do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock. After that, grab and throw again. Grab, throw. This time you're going to bend and snap. Then you're going to face the other way. Grab, throw, bend, snap. Okay, we're going to start with she twerking, taking it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab. 1, 2, 3. Shake it off. 5, 6, 7. Sweep. 1, 2, 3. Rock it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab and throw. 1, 2, 3. Bend and snap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your chorus. You're going to have a hip shake. Hip shake to your right first. So you just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to turn it to the left. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you face the front, hips go to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do that move, both sides together, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hips to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're going to have 4 obliques. So when we do these, you want to squeeze your back together and come. Almost like you have a resistance band that you're pulling apart and then snapping it back together. So 4 obliques to 2 hip rolls. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're going to turn to your left. 1, 2, 3, roll those hips. 5, 6, turn it to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After your obliques with your hip rolls, you're going to reach that ankle. So get down in a little sumo squat. You're going to reach 2 times. 1, 2, hip pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hip pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start right back to your chorus. So you do chorus, verse, and then you end with a chorus. So let's do a verse all the way together. So remember, you have hips out, turn, hip out, turn, obliques with a turn, and then your oblique reach. Do a verse with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obliques. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reach for 2. 1, 2, 3, pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. There you go.